Good morning, folks. It's Sunday, Bok Kai weekend. I can't remember. I think it's the 26th today. We decided to go ahead and stop at the car show. Fascinating. Some Teslas are at these now. I didn't anticipate Teslas, but why not? They're a fast little hot rod. You got your classic Corvette muscle. I'd like to see the Tesla and the Corvettes race off the line. Be interesting. Old Super Sports Chevelle. Here we got a couple of trucks. Somebody spent some time under the hood on that. Z. It's pretty nice, folks. Katie is interested in the rib. She said she showed up to be an impromptu judge of the rib contest. Blue one. Yeah. I think that's a Cosmopolitan or something, and that's either a Nash or a Tucker or something like that. You can tell by the thing. Might be Studebaker. Pretty cool. '66 Thunderbird. This one's seen some shows. They got the little plaque thing. Got a Pontiac. Not too bad. Not too bad. Well, folks, Ram Skellington there. There's some fireworks going off down here. See if there's any vendors. We got Italian ice. Oh, looks like there's still some vendors, folks. It's windy, it's wet, it's raining. But hey, you know what? It's still a fun day. Can't tell if looks like the vendors are getting set up, not taken down. So looks like there could still be some events here. See if we can't get some food. All right, folks, have a good morning. Talk to you next time. Oh, you can pet her if you want.